In this video you will learn every step to get your Colorado drone pilot license and become a certified drone pilot in Colorado. Step 1. Determine eligibility conditions. The first step to become a drone pilot in Colorado is that you need to be sure you meet all of the prerequisites. You need to be sure you are at least 16 years old and have the language abilities required to read. You need to also be able to write, speak, and understand English to become a drone pilot in Colorado. You must also possess a current government-issued identification card to verify your age and identity. Step 2. Assess your physical and mental health. To operate a drone safely in Colorado and become a drone pilot in Colorado. The next step is to assess your physical and emotional well-being. You must be in perfect health and free from any conditions that could make it difficult for you to fly a drone safely. High spatial awareness and hand-eye coordination are also necessary for effective drone operation. Step 3. Attend a training session. Taking a drone pilot training course is the next step to get a Colorado drone license. A drone pilot training course will help you prepare for the Part 107 exam, so it's important that you get into the right program. Although there are many excellent training programs available, we have listed the best FAA-approved course in the description below this video. This course offers fantastic training and has one of the most competitive pricing structures for this type of drone education. Step 4. Obtain an FAA tracking number. Next, to become a Colorado drone pilot, you must make an IACRA profile. This is done in order to receive an FAA tracking number. You must do this before you can begin the application process for your remote pilot license in Colorado. You will be asked for personal information and to provide answers to a few security questions. This is done in order to verify your identity during this procedure. Step 5. Schedule an appointment with a testing facility authorized by the FAA. You can schedule an appointment with a knowledge testing center that has FAA clearance after receiving your FTN. You should bring a legitimate government-issued photo ID to the test. Step 6. Complete the initial aviation knowledge test. The unmanned aircraft, general exam, which must be completed in person at a PSI testing facility. It is the first examination you must pass to become Part 107 certified. This test is given by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and it covers a wide range of topics that are crucial to drone pilots. To pass the UAG exam, you must get at least 70%. The test can be taken at a knowledge testing center that has received FAA certification. The basic aeronautical knowledge test covers the same subjects as the UAG exam. The 60 multiple-choice questions on the test must be completed within 120 minutes. You need to get at least a 70% on the test in order to pass it. Step 7. Submit the FAA Form 8710-13 to obtain a remote pilot certificate. You must submit an electronic FAA Integrated Airman Certificate and Rating application. This is done after passing the Fundamental Aeronautical Knowledge Test. This will allow you to submit FAA Form 8710-13 for a Remote Pilot Certificate, IACRA. Creating a new application, inserting the 17-digit knowledge test exam ID, and submitting it are all steps in the application procedure. Step 8. Await a confirmation email. You should shortly receive a confirmation email saying that the TSA security background check has been completed. You can print the IACRA Temporary Remote Pilot Certificate by following the directions in this email. Step 9. Obtain the Colorado Remote Pilot Certificate. The last step to get a Colorado drone pilot license is to get your remote pilot certificate. A Colorado remote pilot certificate will be sent out once all internal FAA processing is complete. The processing time varies after the application is submitted, however it could take up to 4 weeks to receive the certificate. The 2-year expiration of a remote pilot license must be understood. Every 24 calendar months, you must enroll in an online recurrent training course to maintain your aeronautical knowledge up to date. Those who do not complete the recurrent training by the deadline have to retake the initial aeronautical knowledge exam in order to regain their remote pilot certification. By following these guidelines, you can legally fly a drone for work or amusement and earn your drone pilot certification. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more drone education and information.